This 2025 Forest River Aurora 29 TQS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Tucson, Arizona, 85704 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Tucson. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.